Three projects that could 5x. So today we're going to be talking about three different projects that I'm incredibly bullish on. We're going to be talking a little bit about what they are, their key narratives, why I'm bullish on them, and also go over a price prediction for each of them. So the first one is going to be Alephium, also known as the ticker ALF. So currently it has a market cap of 170 million, and the price really woke up back in November, trading back then at around 36 cents. Now, currently it's up to $2 and trading at $170 million when we're taking a look at the market cap. So this project is a energy efficient, scalable L1, all of the buzzwords, right? All of the fancy buzzwords. It's a great L1, start building, start contributing, and you can actually start mining. So also some people even argue that this could be the next Caspa, which I feel like right there off the bat, if a project ever says like Soul Killer, ETH Killer, usually they never turn out to be that. But this project maybe could indeed become the next Caspa, or at least a tribute to some of the market cap share of Caspa. Now, if we were to, for example, compare it to Caspa right now is trading at a $4.3 billion market cap. And when we're taking a look at Alephium, it is sitting at $170 million. Now, when we're taking a look at mining rewards and we're taking a look at Caspa, you can see here the emission in the last 24 hours has been around $1.54 million. Now, on Mining Pool Stats website, they actually don't showcase Alephium for some reason. It's not really on here. But if you go to what to mine, you can actually take a look at Alephium, and here you can see the daily emissions are at 1.21 Bitcoin. Now, if I was to take that number of Bitcoin and put it into here and convert it to USD, that would be around $80,000 as of right now. And if we were comparing this to other projects and some of their emissions in the past 24 hours for what people are mining in the space, we can see here that this would be above number 9, which is Xelis, and also above Nervos Network and Ravencoin, Conflux, Cadena, Flux, Dash, Decred, right? Some of these projects are quite popular with miners, and the daily emissions right now is definitely above that mark, which is definitely going to make this project a lot more attractive when it comes to miners and where miners are going to start going, right? Miners, of course, go to the shiny objects, just like investors do. And I think a lot more miners are going to start coming over to this project as well. Now, when it comes to the price point, it is down close to 50%. And it looks like it's just, it's had these rallies here where it's just prices picked up a lot and then price just kind of dumps after for, a few days, weeks, etc. And that could be the same thing with these two candles here, as it looks like, this is kind of maybe possibly overbought type of zone. But regardless, I definitely think this project could easily do a 5x. And then comparing this to Caspa, right? If we were on the Hopium and we thought it was going to hit that $4.4 billion valuation, then that would make the potential price to be $52.28, or an upside of 25x. Or for example, if it was that of Bitcoin SV, which as of right now, the mining rewards are paying out more than Bitcoin SV is, the daily emissions, then that would make the potential price to be at $11, or an upside of 444%, and that would make the market cap to be around $924 million. Now, another project that is on here for mining stats is OctaSpace. So this is the next project I want to talk about. And right now, the daily emissions for miners is paying out to be around $112,000. So that is OctaSpace. Right now, it's sitting at a market cap of $68 million. So this project is a decentralized cloud computing project. So there's a lot of different products when it comes to OctaSpace. So one of the biggest ones is rendering. So this can be done for rendering either game assets or maybe video, different things like that. And here you can see some of the companies that they've actually rendered projects for, which is Coca-Cola, Bungie, right? Destiny 2, right? Couple big names there. And they also have a VPN as well. And there is a AI, so there is their own LLM. And here are some of the available resources that they have on the market right now. So CPU, GPU, RAM, disk. So how it works is people can lend or borrow. So they can lend their excess resources that they have, and then they can earn in the OctaSpace tokens. Now, when it comes to exchanges, by the way, for Alephium and also for OctaSpace, right now there really isn't a whole lot. For Alephium, really all of the volume is happening on Uniswap. It's on Gate.io, MEXC as well. And then when it comes to OctaSpace, it's really just MEXC and Uniswap right now is where a lot of the volume is happening, and as well as on PancakeSwap. So it's really not on a lot of exchanges yet. So I would like to see more exchange listings in the future for this project. But regardless, when we're taking a look at the price action, it has done very well since its inception. So currently in the past 383 days, the price is actually up 1,400%. When we're taking a look at the past 72 days, it is up 30% as well. So OctaSpace has a market cap of $68 million. And if we were to, for example, compare that to a $200 million market cap, that would make the price of one Octa to be $6.26, or also an upside of close to 200%. So if the market cap was 500 million, that would make the price $15.66, or an upside of 628%. And along with that, this project has a lot of different, products, right? They have their VPN render, they have their own LLM, they have a ton of different resources and a type of market as well. So I definitely think there is a lot of use cases for this project, and there is even also mining. So a lot of people can definitely get involved with this project, and that's one of the reasons why I'm quite bullish on it as well. And I definitely think that it could possibly hit that $500 million market cap zone. Now, overall, this project has been on my radar now for a little while now, and I posted this project 18 days ago as well on my school group, which is Crypto Gems. You can find it in the top link in the description below. Back then, the price was also trading at $1.95, so it's been on my radar since then, and I've been bullish on it as well. If you want to join my group, you can find all things small cap, Crypto Gems, and also on-chain analysis by yours truly. Now, the next project I want to talk about is Enqai AI, which is a decentralized LLM. Now, with this project, it's a part of the AI narrative. And being a part of the AI narrative, I think in this rally is going to be, a big thing for a lot of different projects, considering that, for example, Grayscale launches artificial intelligence focused crypto fund, AI Tokens Gain. So Grayscale, which has $50 billion in assets under management, is even looking into AI crypto projects as possible potential, good investment strategy. And along with that, obviously there's a ton of AI projects now in the space, but one of them, which is a decentralized LLM, is Enqai AI. Now, Enqai AI is a project that I was bullish on way back when, in March, January, February, in this time period. And the project did have a massive rally, and the market cap went over $230 million. Now, the market cap and price has obviously receded since then, down to $18 million for a market cap at just 0.018. But regardless, I think there could be some potential with this project, considering that almost 100% of the supply is already circulating, so there's going to be really no inflation to worry about. Along with it, when we're taking a look at this project, there's different products such as generative AI. You can also contribute as a GPU provider, right? LLMs usually require a lot of GPU resources, and along with that, you can contribute your own GPU, and then you can earn in the Enqai AI tokens as well if you want to do that. And their whole thing is to be as unbiased as possible, right? A lot of LLMs are very biased in what they can say or give in their prompts. And so Enqai AI is really trying to not be biased at all to any degree. Now, if Enqai AI had a market cap of 100 million, that would make the price to be 0.1, right? And if it had that, for example, a $200 million market cap, that would make the potential price to be 0.2 or 20 cents. And this is definitely a project that I could see, at least during a AI hype mania phase, to be at the $100 to $200 million market cap. So let me know your guys' thoughts about these three projects. I'm incredibly bullish on them, and I definitely think that these projects could perform quite well given the next leg up in the market. Anyways, guys, that's all I have for this one. See you in the next one.